successful, and we're very pleased to welcome you to the Crown Childcare family. Report to reception for orientation. Your journey with us starts today. Good morning and welcome to your first day at Crown Childcare. Let's get started. Log on to the computer to print your contract. We encourage you to read each section carefully before signing. Welcome to the family, employee 225. Place your contract in the care hatch and collect your employee card. Your primary role at Crown Childcare is his happiness and well-being. You can start with some light entertainment. Toys have been provided. Entertainment has its place, but his growth is essential. Take him upstairs to be fed, then back downstairs to change him. A daily evaluation is critical to monitor his progress and development. He's not quite ready yet. Take him upstairs and tuck him into bed. 5, you've earned yourself a crown sticker. Proceed to reception and clock out.
Your continued work helps us grow. Welcome to...
Good morning, Employee 225. You'll find him in the naughty corner following a little incident last night. Let's ease him into the day with some quiet story time. Still testing boundaries. Interesting. This behavior is promising. He's ready? Quickly, take him to reception for processing. Another child sent out into the world, a truly Another so soon. Report to the care hatch. It's time. sight to behold. Lucky, lucky you. Another sticker has been earned. Perhaps even...
Stern, would you be able to send another sitter? The one you sent didn't last very long.
Good morning, Employee 225. Today we'll be focusing on blocks and building. A simple yet meaningful activity. Even the smallest sapling holds the potential to become a towering tree. But it feels like your first shift was only yesterday, yet here we are, your 2-week anniversary. Please enjoy the festive provisions. Can you see the tree? Today's activity is painting. Ah, it looks like we have another arrival. Stop what you're doing and report to the care hatch. Another glorious addition to our family. And still you can't... A fussy eater. Interesting. Take him to the staff room. Let's try a more appetizing option. You were told, do not eat the baby food. Not shove it all in your greedy little face. Get back in the kitchen and do your job.